Okay, so in this video, we're going to talk about another homework example for the trigonometric identities in 8.4. This one, it says to prove that this stuff is actually equal. So what that means is you're going to take the messier side, okay? I'm saying the messier side is this piece, and you're going to break it down. You're going to simplify simplify this left-hand side until at the end you get the cosecant squared of A. You're going to break this down so that whenever you go, your answer is going to end up at the cosecant squared of A. So it's kind of like how we were doing the last set of homeworks, but in this case, what we're trying to do, we have an objective. We want to make sure that this stuff breaks down to this. So that means all we're doing is simplifying one side of the equation. And that's what we're going to do. So the first thing we've got to recognize is where we can do some substitutions and things like that. And in this case, I'm going to start with this multiplication, this product, right? So the tangent, 1 plus the tangent squared, remember, is the same as the cosecant squared, right? So 1 plus the tangent squared theta is equal to 1 over the secant, or secant squared theta. So what that says, oh, this should be 8. So what that says is we can substitute the secant squared for all that stuff in parentheses. So we end up with the cotangent of A times the secant squared of A over the tangent of A is equal to, well, we don't need to worry about that side for now. Then from here, we got to look at this as, we got to break down the identity again, right? So what I'm going to do in this case, because there's a relationship between the tangent and the cotangent, what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the cotangent squared we're going to have to come back to this because it's getting late.